Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money or just designing thumbnail like this, and people are going to pay you using your thumbnail. So without any further delay, my name is Seun Digital. If you're new here, I just want to thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for coming to my channel to watch my video. I do appreciate that. So guys, if you like the kind of video I'm making on this channel, you may want to subscribe and also smash the notification bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. So let's dive into the video straight away. I have hundreds of videos here where you can actually make money with them, tools that can help you to grow your business and how you can help to grow your business online. So let's dive into this video right now. So the name of the website I'm going to be showing you first is called Free Picks. So we are going to just use this as an idea of what you want to create. So this is Free Picks. So you just go to search for thumbnail. Search for thumbnail. It's going to give you ideas of how thumbnail looks like. You see thumbnail, you see these ones, you see how they really look alike, or they really look like rather. So you're going to just to copy and just check how this looks like. Then once you know how thumbnail looks, then the next thing you want to do, you want to search for background. So I've opened another one here, the same place, background. I search for background, so I can see a lot of background here. Okay, so let's say I want to make use of this background or this. So I can right click on this, open in another tab. Right click on this, open it in another tab. Right click on this, open it in another tab. Then right click on this and open it in another tab. Then if I like this also, I can click this to see it in another tab. Okay guys, so once you get these ones, another tab, and you have this, then you have this, then you have this. Okay, I think this is taking me to another side, so I don't want this. This is not free. So what you're gonna do now, right now, is you're gonna download this, you're gonna download this, you're gonna download all of them. So let's do that real quick. So I'm gonna download this by clicking on download here and click on free. Wait for a minute, it's going to drop. You can see it's downloading here. So I'm going to go to the next one, do the same thing, click on free. You can see the next one, do the same thing here, do the same thing here. So after which you've downloaded everything, so what you're going to do now, you have to click on this one, click on this, open in another in show in folder. So what you're gonna do next is right click on it in the folder, extract all, click on that, click extract. So wait a minute and you're good to go. It has opened, so you can double click to open it. You can delete this. I don't want this, so I can delete this. I can say this is one, rename it to one. You get it? So if I say one, I can cut this one. Okay, I can leave it. So I'm coming here, do the same thing to the second one. Okay. Do the same thing. So you can rename it to 2. So I'm gonna copy it or cut it. I don't want it here. Cut. Take it to the first folder, which is this. Paste it here. go back and delete this. So the third one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Paste. So you can delete this, delete this. So let's go back. So let's go to the site called Postermywall. You can see Postermywall. All you just need to do on Postermywall, create an account. I've done a video on that earlier. So let me log out. Let me log out. So if I log out, you can see the money I've made. Just that. So this is how you're gonna see it. Postermywall. I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description box of this video. Just go to the link and sign up with them. It's free to sign up. So let's say you want to sign up, just click sign in. So if you click sign in, then you click sign up for free. Sign up for free. All right, guys. Well, because I have an account, so I'm gonna log in to my account. So far, this month I've made $13. So once you do that, you can click here, create a design, browse templates, start from scratch. So if you say browse templates, it can't do what we want because they are going to give you suggested template. But now we want to do from scratch. So let's click from scratch. So you're going to look for search for video. If we're gonna see YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let's just go with this one, digital display. So click on color, pick any color. So this is how it's gonna look like. So next thing you want to come in, click on photo, add from photo, click upload. So we go to download. Here, pick our photos, the downloaded photos. So wait a minute. So you're gonna wait some minutes, just some minutes for it to upload. After which it has been uploaded, we're gonna go back to those ones, just see how they put in the write-up, and that's this is slow. Okay. So if you have yet to subscribe, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click the bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. And one other thing, like this video. If you like this kind of video I'm making, please like this video. And also you can drop a comment if you have any question to ask me. I'm willing to answer you straight away. So adjust the size. Okay, you can see that. So now you want to put in the write-up. So let's go back here and close this one and go back to thumbnail. You can see what they write: your YouTube background, thumbnail, text, full editable, blah blah blah. So we can put in the same thing: YouTube background. So come to text, come to fancy text. So pick any fancy text if you want it. So if I would like this, so you can see. To background. You see this, but I don't really like to use fancy text, so let's close that. Come to plain text, so I can say YouTube background. Okay, oh my god. Okay. Then the next thing here is thumbnail. So I can say duplicate. I can duplicate it and say thumbnail. I can make it bigger. So the next one is text fully editable. So I can click and duplicate it, drag it down here. Text fully editable. Am I correct? Full editable, not fully. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color, pick the color to anything you like. Pick the color to anything you like. If you want to reduce the size, if you want to twist a bit, you see that. You see that? So the next thing, you want to add picture. Maybe you want to add your picture on the other side. So you're gonna see the same thing. Click on this one. Let me pick one of the pictures that I've uploaded before. So I click on this one picture. So I want this picture to face the other way around. So I can click here and say flip. Okay. It's too big, so I can reduce the size. Okay. So if I like this way, all I just need to do is submit this as template. So I'm going to click here, click file, then click submit as template. So I'm going to say YouTube thumbnail. So I can say YouTube thumbnail. So category. Category, you're gonna pick the category. Should be under then like YouTube. No. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's very important. Just like this video, please. If you like it, just do like the video. I'm looking for a category that will go well with this. So I want to say, okay. Let me just pick bar flyer. So accept and click on submit design. I've submitted. So after which you've submitted, now people are going to be buying your designs. You can see I've made $13 already. This month I've made $20. I have this total number of people that have used my design. These are the people that are really paid for the design. See, I have 0 use, 0 sales because I just do this. So if I show you the one of this one, 0 use, 0 sales, no money. If I'm going to show you the one I've made sales, this one 3 use, uses no sales, because people can use it for free, but they're not going to get the perfect sharp size. Sharp, it's not going to sharp, but they can use it for free. But if they want it to be very sharp, they have to pay for it. So 2 uses, I want to show you the one that they really pay for. 3 uses, 21 uses. This is 2 uses. This is 92 uses, 9 paid for. 1 paid for, 1 paid for it. 7 paid for it, 1 paid for it. 3 paid for it, 2 paid for it. I think that will be end this night. That will be end of this video. If you like the kind of video I'm making on this channel, please do drop a comment under this video right now, and I'm going to drop the link to these sites right now. And also like this video, please, so that other people can see this video. And that will be all. So if you really want to make money online, you want to click the next video, the video that is coming next now. Just click the video and watch it. You are going to make tons of money. All right, guys.